2024 Lexus NX. Comfort is at the core of the Lexus brand, and the 2024 NX SUV effectively hides the same platform it shares with the Toyota RAV4 and Venza crossovers. It's difficult to notice the similarities until it's parked close to the Venza. The majority of NX models have elegant interiors made of premium materials. There are numerous powertrain choices, including plug-in and hybrid models. The latter is a 302 horsepower system taken from the upgraded RAV4 Prime. But don't get me wrong. The NX is a softie who values a smooth ride above top performance. This implies that drivers who are enthusiasts would probably find competing vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz GLA Class, BMW X1, or Audi Q3 to be more fulfilling. However, if your use case leans more toward calm commuting and road trips, the Lexus is a good choice because it has cozy front seats that are ideal for lengthy travels. What's new for 2024? The 2024 NX hasn't changed much in the 2 years following a comprehensive redesign. Lexus has introduced more consistently colored accents around the cabin and changed the interior colors of the SUV in a few places. Remote parking is now an option for the NX 350h and NX 450h Plus models, while the NX 450h Plus F Sport now comes with a conventional or panoramic sunroof. Performance, transmission, and engine. There are 4 powerplant choices for the 2024 NX. A 203 HP 2.5-liter 4-cylinder powers the base NX 250 model, while a 275 HP turbocharged 2.4-liter powers the NX 350. An 8-speed automatic transmission is included with both. All-wheel drive is standard on the NX 350, while front-wheel drive is available as an option on the NX 250. There are 2 distinct hybrid versions available. The NX 350h generates 239 horsepower by combining 2 electric motors with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. The more intriguing choice is the NX 450h Plus, which takes the RAV4 Prime's 302 horsepower plug-in hybrid drivetrain. In our tests, the top-of-the-line NX 450h Plus reached 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds, compared to 7.6 seconds for the NX 350h. All-wheel drive is standard on both hybrids. A mid-range NX 350 was used for our initial test drive, and it completed a quite quick 6.6 seconds 60 mph run. The NX's ride was smooth, and with enough encouragement, we were able to make a few backroad smiles, even though its handling skills didn't wow us. Even with the adaptive suspension technology that the F Sport model adds to firm up the ride and add a little more composure, the NX still lacks the BMW X1's agility over tricky terrain. Interior, comfort, and cargo. With a sleek appearance and elegant materials, the cabin design of this generation of NX advances significantly. With a slightly larger back seat and more baggage capacity when the rear seats are folded than many of its competitors, the NX has one of the roomier cabins in the luxury subcompact crossover class. A panoramic sunroof, heated rear seats, an ambient interior lighting system with 64 color options, and black open-pore wood trim are among the optional amenities. Pricing and which one to buy. The 2024 Lexus NX ranges in price from $40,605 to $61,155, depending on the model and options. Although the NX's base model would be too basic for some luxury buyers, it starts at just over $40,000. A more suitable performance comes with choosing the mid-range NX 350, which has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged with 275 horsepower. We'd suggest adding the luxury package, which includes premium equipment such as the larger 14.0-inch infotainment display, quilted leather upholstery, cloud-connected navigation, upgraded interior ambient lighting, 20-inch wheels, 4-way adjustable lumbar support for the driver, and adaptive headlamps. For buyers looking for a more menacing appearance and more performance upgrades, the NX 350F Sport is similarly priced and available with the luxury package.